Do you still think that to have your application on the web, we'll need to learn a new programming language? Will you need to be a master in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Will you need a template like Admin LTE and others? In this video, I'm going to introduce Project SysLife. Let's analyze another case study of the application of uniGUI resources with RadCORE WEB, and see how you can save a lot of time and still fulfill your customers' desire to access their data over the internet. Note that all original project files are reused. We are not going to need to adapt or lay out two forms to a HTML template. You want to say that, as RadCORE, you accelerate a lot or time of development of your application, poise. All your business regimen and mainly, all your components, will be kept in the original language of development, our good and old Delphi. Let's compare the two forms at design time and see how they look before and after RadCORE. Note that all data display and editing components were kept, but now they are inserted in responsive blocks, and with that, the application gains new access possibilities by your client. And it's worth remembering once again, we don't need any HTML template. After this quick presentation of how the application is at design time, let's get down to what matters most. Let's see the final result of the application, comparing the before and after RadCORE. As you can see, there is no doubt that, as a Delphi programmer, you will gain in productivity both to migrate your existing applications and also to create new projects and complete them in a timely manner. In addition to saving code and time in the construction of screens, you'll migrate your applications to the web, keeping all your knowledge and taking your application to another level of satisfaction for your customers. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click on like to help the RadCORE project. If you want to know RadCORE, call Flavio on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or send him an email. Okay? Until next time, and good studies.